Gentle chair exercises for sedentary people. Have you ever felt like your chair is stealing your energy? You sit for hours working, scrolling, watching, but your back starts to ache, your shoulders feel heavy, and your legs almost forget how to move. Millions of people around the world live this way, trapped in a sedentary cycle. But here's the truth. Your chair doesn't have to be your enemy. In fact, with just a few simple moves, it can become your best workout partner. Today, I'm going to guide you through gentle chair exercises designed for sedentary people. Exercises that are safe, easy, and surprisingly powerful. No equipment, no complicated steps, just you, your chair, and a few minutes of focus. By the end, you'll feel lighter, more awake, and more in control of your body. Let's get started. Warm welcome motivation. First, let me congratulate you for being here. You could have ignored your health, you could have kept scrolling, but instead you chose to show up. And that's the hardest step, showing up for yourself. These exercises aren't about sweating buckets or pushing your limits until you collapse. They're about gently waking up the body, improving circulation, releasing tension, and reminding your muscles and joints that they're still alive, strong, and ready to move. Whether you've been sitting for 8 hours at the office or you're starting to exercise after years of inactivity, this routine is for you. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel your lungs expand, feel the tension leave your shoulders. Good. That's how we begin. Section 1, Posture Reset. Before we move, let's fix how we sit. Most sedentary pain begins with poor posture. Sit up tall, feet flat on the ground. Imagine a string pulling the crown of your head toward the ceiling. Roll your shoulders back gently, not forcing, just opening the chest. Place your hands on your thighs. This is your strong, active sitting posture. Even just sitting like this, you're training your body to hold itself better. Stay here, breathe in deeply, and exhale. Already, you're correcting hours of slouching. Now gently tuck your chin in as if making a double chin. Hold for 3 seconds, release. This strengthens the neck muscles that support your head. Do it again. Tuck the chin, hold, release. One more time. Perfect. You're undoing hours of looking down at screens. Section 2, Neck-Shoulder Relief. Let's start with the neck. Slowly tilt your right ear toward your right shoulder. Don't force it, just let gravity guide you. Feel the stretch along the left side of your neck. Hold, breathe. Now gently switch to the other side. Ear to shoulder. Stretch, relax. Beautiful. Now turn your head to the right as if looking over your shoulder. Hold back to center, now to the left, hold back to center. This keeps your neck mobile and fights stiffness from sitting too long. Shoulders next. Lift your shoulders up toward your ears, squeeze and drop them down with a sigh. Again. Lift, squeeze, drop. One more. Lift, squeeze, drop. Feel the release? That's stress leaving your body. Now roll your shoulders back in big circles, nice and slow. Open the chest, good. Now roll them forward, excellent. Section 3, Upper Body Activation. Place your arms out in front of you, palms facing each other. Slowly open your arms wide like you're spreading your wings. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. Feel the chest opening. Then bring them back to center. Again. Open wide. Squeeze. Return. One more time. Open. Squeeze. Return. Now, arms up overhead. Stretch as if reaching for the ceiling. Lengthen your spine. Hold for a moment. Then slowly bring them down. Again. Up. Reach. Down. Perfect. Let's add a twist. Place your right hand on the side of your chair, left hand on your thigh. Slowly twist your torso to the right. Look over your shoulder. Hold. Breathe. Back to center. Now switch sides. Left hand to chair, right hand on thigh, twist gently. Hold, breathe, return. These seated twists massage your spine and improve digestion. Section 4, Core Engagement. Many people think you can't work your core while sitting, but you can, and you should. Sit tall. Cross your arms over your chest. Slowly lean back a few inches, keeping your spine straight. Then return to upright. That's 1 rep. Let's do 5. Back up, good. You're strengthening the muscles that protect your lower back. Now place your hands on the seat of your chair. Lift your right knee a few inches off the floor. Hold. Lower. Left knee up. Hold. Lower. Alternate. Right knee. Down. Left knee. Down. Keep going. This works your lower abs and improves hip flexibility. Section 5. Lower body mobility. Plant both feet flat on the ground. Slowly extend your right leg forward until it's straight, heel on the floor, toes pointing up. Hold. Then switch to the left. Keep alternating. This strengthens your thighs and improves circulation. Now, march in place while sitting. Lift one knee,